Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is very short but very much important. You may see on thumbnails what about today's videos. Yes, that's about removing the background of any images without any tools, even without Photoshop. Removing the background from an image can be a hard task. Pro level expert is needed to do hair masking with Photoshop. Many people want to remove the background of their images. If you look at the marketplace, you can see that there is a lot of demand for background removal of pictures and a lot of buyers are hiring sellers. Removing the background of an image can be tricky, but there is a free online tool that can make it much easier. In this video, I will show you how to remove the background of your images quickly and super easily. No need to hire someone, you can do it by yourself. Let's start it. To remove background for your image, go to any browser, uh, go to the browser and then once again go to a browser and search Adobe background remover. Go to any browser and search Adobe background remover. Okay, that will turn you into in this interface, and if you click, this is the result, this is the final result. If you click on this link, you will go to adobe.com express feature images slash remove background. Okay, so I'll put this link in description. If you click on this link, you can go, you'll be here easily. Okay, so as you can see here, there is an option to upload your photos. Few thing about this tool. This is a free tool created by Adobe. Adobe is very famous for Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, such for designing apps. So this is very famous nowadays. So to remove this background from any images, just you need to upload your photo by clicking here, upload your photo. I click there, and that turn you into a new tab, and then you can drag your images by here. There is two options: drag and drop an image or browse on your device. You can drag your images easily. Suppose this is my images, I want to remove this background. Let's open it and see. Okay, so this is the image that I want to remove background. Okay, I drag it, and oh, there is a problem. Basically I'm right now using Windows 11, so drag and drop option is not available in Windows 11, so I need to try another way. Browse on your device. So I have two images. I will remove both of these images backgrounds. So first, let's pick this one. I select this one and open. It will take a little moment. It's working. Wait a few seconds, and that will be very satisfiable. You'll be satisfied with this result. Refining the edge, mixing some art and science. So hair masking is really a hard thing, and as you can see, okay, we download it first, and then you will. Oh, I just need to sign up. This is not a big deal. I have a account there. If you don't have any account, just sign in there. I have an account, that's why I'm sign up here. Oh no, I have an account, so I have an account, so I will actually, this is new incognito, that's why I must sign up here. um, we can uh, let's exit this incognito. Incognito, I exit this incognito, and then okay, then if we search for Adobe background remover, that will turn me here. Click on it, upload your photo. It's taking a few moments. Okay, select, okay, browse on a device. That was the image that I was selected. Open it. It will take a little bit, just wait. So after removing the background, when you will go to download this image, okay, I clicked on download. So okay, it's downloaded, but if you okay, I just saved it there. Okay, save. So I have an Adobe account, that's why I downloaded all without any trouble. But if you don't have any account, means Adobe account, you need to create one, and then you can download it. Okay, so open it, that we remove the background. So as you can see, the hair masking is pretty good. The hair masking is pretty good. No no background there. Okay, let's try another one. um, okay, reload this page and upload the remaining images. This is my another images. Open it and let's see. Basically it's depend on your network speed. As you can see, this is so easy. So you can remove your background as much image you have, no problem. This is a free tool, and you can remove backgrounds, all of your images, with easily, very easily. So that's all for today, and thank you for being with us. Goodbye, see you in the next tutorial.